Hi everyone, this is Osama Nazari, and in this lesson I'm going to be teaching you useful collocations and expressions about eating. Make sure to hit the subscribe button because in this new playlist I'm going to be teaching you 1,000 extremely useful collocations that can help you have a fluent English. So without further ado, let's start. Eating. My mother radically changed her eating habits a few years ago. In the past, she ate a lot of junk food. Junk food is food that is not nutritious or healthy, and she was overweight. Sometimes she would try to go on a diet. To go on a diet means eat less food and healthier food, but it would never last. But now she understands how unhealthy processed foods are. They are full of food additives, chemicals added to the food that contribute to weight gain and heart problems. So, eating habits here, my mother radically changed. Radically means completely, entirely eating habits. Junk food, unhealthy food, and here go on a diet, or you can say, for example, I'm on a diet. It means I'm watching my weight, and then processed foods like chips, cheese snacks, cake and biscuits, food additives. Nowadays, she eats a balanced diet, including a lot of nourishing meals that are healthy and nutritious, that she prepares herself. She doesn't buy organic food because she thinks the prices are outrageous. Prices are outrageous, or you can say prices are astronomical or unreasonably high. But she stocks up on fresh produce, fresh fruits and vegetables, so that she can grab an apple or some veggies when she wants a quick snack, something small and fast to eat. She has also learned to eat in moderation. Eat in moderation means not eating very little and not eating a lot of food. Okay, so it's eating in moderation. It means to have a balanced diet. And watch her portion sizes. Portion is how much food you eat or how much food you take in each meal. That is called your portion. So she watches her portion sizes, okay? I often stop by her house when I'm in the mood for a home-cooked meal. The other day she made a hearty stew. Stew is a thick soup with lots of flavors and ingredients. It's thicker than soup. Usually in Iran we eat ash or khoresh. This is similar to a stew. So, that was full of beans and vegetables. My brother, who has a healthy appetite, it means the capacity to eat a lot, had a second helping, which means a second portion. But I found the stew so filling that I could barely finish my bowl. When the food is filling, it makes you full very fast. So, if you have a healthy appetite, it means you can eat a lot of food. And a second helping, it means a second portion. My mother recently told me that she'd like to try some international cuisine. Cuisine, it means the style of cooking something. For example, you can have Mexican cuisine or you can have Japanese cuisine. So the style of cooking something. I was surprised to hear that because a few years ago she had a bad experience after getting food poisoning when you get sick because of contaminated food at a Japanese restaurant. So tomorrow I'm taking her to a Brazilian steakhouse. I told her to eat light meals, it means small meals, during the day so that she doesn't spoil her appetite for dinner. Spoiling your appetite means eating food earlier and then not being hungry for a meal later. So you spoil your appetite. If you want to go out for example, dinner or lunch, you have to take light meals because you don't want to spoil your appetite. It means when you're in the restaurant, you want to eat your entire food because you are so hungry, so you don't spoil your appetite. Now let's recap the vocabulary that we've learned. Repeat after me. Eating habits. junk food, go on a diet, processed foods, food additives, a balanced diet, nourishing meals, organic food, fresh produce, a quick snack, eat in moderation, portion sizes, home-cooked meal, a hearty stew, a healthy appetite, a second helping, international cuisine, food poisoning, light meals, spoil your appetite. Like this video if you've liked it, and I see you in the next one. Goodbye!